Hello everyone, welcome, good day to ya. Hope you're doing well. I have got a video here that I'm excited to do for you because it's another Fashom unboxing, yay! They sponsored my first Fashom unboxing, and while this video is not sponsored, they did provide the box for me, so I did get this to review for them, but you know, as always, companies, I let them know before they send me any product that, you know, I only give honest reviews, etc., etc. So you guys don't have to worry about that from me, but I'm just excited. Fashom is a online styling service that is different from the rest, at least I see it that way. It's different in that you get to preview your style choices, your stylist picks for you. It's an actual person on the other end of the computer that is picking out these items for you. It's not like based off of an algorithm. You know, you still get to take your style profile quiz and whatnot, but your stylist will send you 5 to 7 choices that you can pick from, you know, because you get 5 per box. And, you know, if you didn't like anything that your stylist picks for you, that's okay. You can tell them and they will send you different choices. Like, I think that's great. Plus, instead of needing to purchase everything in your box in order to get any kind of a discount, Fashom will give you 25% off if you keep 3 to 4 of the items. And then if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So that's pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. Plus, there's no subscription involved, so you don't have to worry about recurring payments and stuff happening. You choose when you want a Fashom box, and also your first styling session is for free. Plus, for every box sold, Fashom donates $1 of that to Second Chance Rescue in New York City. So it's great to know that they give back. And you get to try on some new clothes. So I am excited to crack on into this. I believe I remember the 5 items that I chose, but my memory hasn't been the greatest lately, so could be a little off. Either way, comes so nicely packaged. You open the box and it just says, "Hello, beautiful." They are very, what's the word? Adamant, but like in a good way, about loving yourself as you are. Their hashtag is better as I am, so you know, just celebrating your body the way that it is now. Comes with the pre-stamped mailer bag for any exchanges, returns, whatever. I also was offered jewelry, which I was not offered in the first one. So they do also, you know, it's a fashion box. It's not only clothing, but we have got accessories as well here. And this pair I thought had the possibility of being cute on me. I like a good dangle earring, and these are like a woven gold, and apparently these are sustainable fashion. An ecologically friendly product handmade by families of artisans. Cool. Oh wow. Apparently the material that this is made of, it grows in a specific region of Brazil where it is the only source of those people's income. Grows throughout the year but can only be harvested from September to November. It conserves the species, and it is also, you know, sustainable for the communities. Cool. Love that. Like I said, it's just this kind of woven gold material, and it's got these swirly balls on the ends that actually move and whatnot. I just think these capture the light really nicely, and I just think they're cute. Yeah? So cool. And then for the clothing, here we go. I am excited to try this stuff on, especially this sweater. I think this is so cute. I love the colors in this. They're muted but powerful, if you get what I'm saying. You know, we've got like a rusty, burnt sienna, terracotta, kind of a brick red. We've got a rosy salmony pink, beautiful taupey brown, a charcoaly black, a cream, and then like a bright aqua teal mint. Just nice, and just all sorts of stripes. You guys know how I feel about stripes. And this sweater, it just feels, you know, nice and lightweight, and I just am excited to try it on. I thought it was very cute. Yep, I'm losing my mind. My memory is leaving me. I forgot that I chose this, but I did choose this, and it looks really cute, and I'm excited to try it. It looks super lightweight and breathable. It's like a sheer woven fabric. Again, you guys know how I feel about stripes, but this is like a subtle pinstripe, and the color of this is just gorgeous. It's like this nice periwinkle gray, which I don't feel like you see very often, but it's very, very pretty. And it's just like a cardigan, but like it's short sleeves, so can I call it a cardigan? But it's just an open knit. It'd be good for layering. And again, I am excited to try it on. Oh, nice. In the picture, I thought this was gonna be like a gray color, but this is actually like a really pretty sagey pastel green. Very pretty. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. This is one of those pieces that could very likely look awful on me, but that's what I like about clothing subscriptions, is that I can try stuff on in the comfort of my own home. But it's just a very lightweight knit, but then it's got like this very interesting collar. It's not quite like a cowl neck, but I thought it could be cute. It's got buttons down one side from that collar. I really don't, you're gonna have to wait and see it on me. I can't really describe it because, like I said, I really don't know that I've seen a piece like that before. And then I've got a feeling this is gonna be super cute. This is it chambray? I don't know, but it's like that soft, thin, looks like denim, but it's not kind of a material. I just thought this was such a cute blouse. It's a really big, rectangular, kind of oversized fit. I would probably tuck it in, but it's really, if I didn't want to tuck it in, it's really cute. It's got the nice detailing at the bottom, this nice scallop with the white thread outlining it. So not only on the bottom, but the sleeves, and then also on the V-neck on the collar. I thought that was really cute. Keyhole in the back. I just thought that was adorable. So those are the items. I'm excited to try them on, and I'm excited to do so with you all. So let's do it. All right, so here is the first sweater here. It's a little bit, I don't know that I would say completely boxy of a fit, but it's a relaxed fit. I think it's cute. I know this is one of those items that I know some people would think is really not cute, but like I think it's cute, and since I'm the one wearing the thing, like that's what matters. I really like it. I think it's something fun and different, and like I said, I like the colors of it. I like the variations in the stripe. And I just think it's something cool and interesting and different. Plus I like that it's, you know, soft and lightweight, so I don't have to worry about getting too sweaty with it on, but it'll still keep me nice and warm here in the winter. It's a good length. It's the length that I like my sweaters to be. Just almost crotch covering. I really like it. Yoo-hoo! I don't know how I feel about this one. Like at times I see it and I'm like, ooh, that's kind of cool. And at times I see it and I'm like, it kind of looks like a bib on me, but I like the buttons down the shoulder. It's a gorgeous color, as I said. Fits me well, it's lightweight. I just don't love it on me, but it was fun to try. Seeing like sometimes I look at it and I'm like, ooh, it looks kind of like a chic scarf. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then we've got this top here, very cute. I don't know if it's just the color or what, but it like partially reminds me of scrubs that a nurse would wear, or a doctor, whatever. But I like the V-neck, pardon the untucked garment helper, but I like the details, you know, like I said, the scalloping on the sleeves and stuff. I just think that's a really cute touch, and I feel like this, like maybe if I tucked it into like a high-waisted skirt or something, it would look a bit less scrubby, maybe? I like the fit of it. It is, like I said, nice and relaxed. I do like that about it. And then this piece, I don't think I would wear with this top, but here we have got the, I don't, what are these called? They can't be called a cardigan, right? But it just feels like kind of a cozy blanket, like a lightweight blanket that you can throw over a top. I like this length of sleeve. As I said, I think the color is gorgeous and something different. It's a good length on me. Mid-thigh, covers the bootay. It's just really comfy cozy. I think it would look cute with like a tank top of some kind underneath it. Ah, multi-purpose cards. Aw, such a nice note from my stylist here. Just says, hello, thank you for styling with Fashom again. Tanya has curated this comfortable yet stylish selection for me that I think could include some perfect additions to my winter wardrobe with hints of on-trend details and easy silhouettes. Make sure to try everything on. Hope you enjoy them and are having an amazing start to your new year. And for pricing, I think the prices of these items is similar to like a Macy's type of a price. They do call it a cardigan. Okay, so the striped periwinkle gray cardigan is $39. The striped knit top is $46. The dangle earrings are $29. The cowl neck button top was $43, and the light blue scallop edged top is $41. As I said, if I were to keep all 5 of the items, I would get the 30% off, and the total for all 5 items would be $138.60. So there you go, my friends. I already know what I am keeping, so let's play a little guessing game. What do you think I'm keeping? Leave me a comment down below. Also, just what you think I should keep, what you thought looked good on me, because hey, we all have differing opinions. It's what makes life beautiful most of the time, except when it comes to wars and stuff. But either way, that is not what this video is about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know, as I said, the things that I already asked. Also, let me know if you have tried out Fashom. If not, and you want to, I will have my link down below that they provide me. Just let me know if you've gotten anything good from them. How do you feel about them as a company, etc., etc. As I have already said, I personally think they seem like a great company doing good things out there, so I think that's great. And you know what they stand for, just valuing and honoring and respecting your body and stuff, and just, I don't know, it's a feel-good message I feel like that they send. So let me know all of the things. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!